Hi there everyone. Welcome to section 4 of our video training series, Additional Tips to Consider, where we are going to give you additional advice that will help you to avoid common first-timer mistakes. What you'll find in this section includes do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. So, let's get started with an updated collection of email marketing do's and don'ts that you'll be glad you'll learn without having to discover them for yourself. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Split test your emails. We recommend you to always test 2 or more variations of your emails in the same campaign and to compare each one's performance against the other to better understand what your subscribers want to see in your emails. Track your metrics. The best way to make continual improvements in your campaigns is by closely tracking your overall performance through metrics such as open rates, bounce rates, click-through rates, unsubscribe rates, and delivery rates. Make it easy to opt out. Always include an easy way to opt out of your mailing list to your subscribers in your emails. This will help you to maintain a positive brand image while keeping you out of legal trouble as well. Link directly to content. Your in-mail URL should always link to the content that they're referring to, and not to your homepage, sales page, or other miscellaneous landing page. Format emails properly. Learn to customize your emails to fit your branding. Show professionalism. Match your design with your message, and keep it simple. Require double opt-in. We recommend you to automate a verification email to be sent to new subscribers when they sign up to your lists. This will help you to foster commitment. Optimize pre-header text. Create attention-grabbing personalized pre-header text to encourage recipients to open your emails on the fly. Use automation tools. Automating your email marketing efforts can help you to create lead nurturing and customer cycle journeys that provide subscribers with value that ends up in increased conversions. Use dynamic content. Dynamic content allows you to tailor your content messages according to subscriber attributes, and it will help your brand stay relevant and top of mind. Check emails before sending them. Always check that every element of your emails is right before you send or schedule them. Little details such as misplaced graphics or incorrect text can send your emails to your subscriber spam folders. Don'ts. Don't buy email lists. Buying bulk email contact lists will not make your email marketing efforts. It will, however, lower your domain score, decrease your deliverability rates, and get your emails blacklisted by most email service providers. Don't email everyone at the same time. Consider regional differences between subscribers before sending your emails. Examine what's the best time to email region-specific subscribers. Create region-specific segments to add those subscribers to, and schedule your emails accordingly. Don't spam emails from databases. Do not fire off emails to addresses that are not previously aware of your business. There's nothing more off-putting than receiving unsolicited email, so avoid sending it at all costs. Don't use all caps. Creating subject lines, pre-header text, or content in all caps will not only make your emails look wildly unprofessional, it will also get your emails filtered as spam by most inboxes. Don't include attachments. All your elements should be predefined in your email templates in the form of links, graphics, calls to action, and download URLs. That way, you can avoid using attachments, which can make your emails go straight to the spam folder. Don't insert multimedia in your emails. Emails containing multimedia elements such as Flash or JavaScript are mostly flagged as threats by email filters at worst and as spam at best. Besides, they might make your emails take forever to load, so avoid using them. Don't ignore mobile audiences. There is an increasing number of people checking their business emails on the go, so don't ignore them by creating purely HTML emails that don't fit most smart device screens. Don't overdo link stuffing. Link stuffing works great on blog articles, but not so much on emails. They're hard to follow on desktop and make emails on mobile practically unreadable, so keep them sparse. Don't send single image emails. Lots of email marketers send single image emails under the impression that they can help them highlight a product, service, or upcoming launch. But they're just good for getting blocked by spam filters and for not fitting on most screens. Don't change your from name. Be consistent with your sender alias. Your subscribers will get used to automatically open your emails based on the from name alone after the second or so email, so don't confuse them by changing it.